To make the orchid, first you're going to take your petals. You're going to want one color for the petals and then a different color for the whatever this piece is called. I have no idea what it's called. You're going to take this petal and curl the outer part with scissors. Then take this piece, curl one back and the other two forward. So the two pieces that are closer together, those are curling forward, and the one up top is curling back. Then you're going to take this piece in a shaping mat, take a ball and shape this part. Go to the edge of a table and bend it down the middle. Now take your hot glue gun and these two pieces, glue right in the center, and attach this piece to the center. So the way you're attaching it is orienting it this way. You don't want this piece to be upside down. Bend the two front petals up and glue right in the middle again. And glue this piece on. Oh, I forgot. Before you glue it on, curl this piece. Do that before you glue it on. It makes things easier. Then you fold this up and fold these in. And the orchid's made. Now you're going to attach it to a stem. So take your 18 gauge floral wire and bend a circle. Bend at 90 degrees. 90 degrees? Yes, 90 degrees. And then glue that wire and stick it right in the back in the center. Wait for it to dry. And now you're going to want to make 4 or 5 of these. Take some more floral wire and take one of them and bend a circle at the top. So you want a little ball. You're going to wrap floral wire or floral tape around it to make a bud. A section, and I'm just going to fold it in half and fold in quarters. And glue it onto the wire. I'm twisting it up a little bit as I'm gluing it on so it makes more of a ball. Then take some more floral tape and tape it on. So the one you just made is bigger than the first one you made. Now you're going to tape your orchid stem together. Take your small bud, bend it a little bit. Take your big bud, bend it a little bit. And you're going to tape them together. So I bent that one in the wrong spot. So you want this one to be shorter than this one. Next, take a flower, and about 2 inches below the flower, bend it and tape it on. Take another flower, bend it 2 inches below, and tape it on. Oops, I did the wrong way. So you want to bend it so all the flowers are facing up and the same direction. Then you're going to bend it so it has an arch. And rotate the flowers so they're all facing up. Next, you're going to take your leaves. You're going to want 2 of the larger leaves and 1 of each of the smaller leaves. And you're also going to want a scrap piece. So take your leaves and a pair of scissors and curl the leaf. So one side has a little cut, you're curling the other side. Take your large leaf, glue right on the cut, or right one side of the cut. You're going to fold the leaf and glue it together. going to have the curl come out. Take your next large leaf, glue on both sides. Put the cut inside of it, or the cut, slide it inside the cut, and glue it together. Looks something like that. Next, take another leaf, glue on both sides of the leaves, and go to the opposite side. Slide it in between, and glue it. Okay, take the last leaf, slide it in between, holy cow, this glue is not working for me right now. Hopefully this works better for you. Okay, and then glue it. Take a piece of wire, glue at the base, put the wire in the glue, and then take your scrap piece and put it on top. And your leaves are done. To put it together, you're going to put floral foam in the pot, and then grab your leaves, put them in the center, and grab your flower stems, stick them in, and take some of this stuff, I don't know what it's called, but you're going to cover up the floral foam. I got this fake moss, that's what it's called, and the floral foam at the dollar store. And there's your orchid.